Okay, we'll see a React program of how to filter it. For example, we have the list, and let's say if I say A, the A will be APPL, apple will be coming, and banana, let's say banana, or orange, something like orange. So we'll see that. Let me remove everything and let's start from the first. Okay. Okay, so basically this is just a hello world program. Okay, there's nothing inside it. So let's start. First we need an input box, correct? So let's do an input box, and we'll just do input box. So over here we have to type it, whatever we have to type. Now we'll say that, let's say, well, look, whatever we are typing, it's kind of like a filter, right? If you are saying AP, that is kind of like a filter. So we'll give the name as filter, and we'll say value equal to filter. We'll define the filter later, but we'll say value equal to filter, and whatever we are typing, so that should be the filter, the filter data, correct? So we'll say e dot set, the new filter would be whatever we are typing it, target dot value, correct? Now we are going to define the filter. We'll say filter comma set filter equal to, we have to define as empty, correct? So this is also data. Now what we are going to do is we have to display that, right? So we will display that in over here. We will say okay, let's say, actually we'll define the data. So right now we'll actually define the data first. Data comma set data equal to use state. We will use the map because we want few data over here, and we'll say first is, for example, apple. Actually let's do some superheroes. Let's say Spider-Man comma 23, his age is 23, let's say. And then let's just copy this first. Okay, now we'll change this 55, 50, 72, okay, 27, or else whatever, 35, 20, 32, something. And now we'll say different thing. Let's say Tony Stark and Hulk. Let's say Ice Age, and let's do Sonic, okay, something, or whatever the data is. Now we will say, let's assume that there is some change data. There's a variable, we'll define that in some time. We're going to loop that, right? We're going to say first key comma value, and then we have to loop that, correct? And now inside this we'll say li key equal to key, and then we'll define this as key of value, and let's close this, right? Li okay, that's good. Have we closed it? I think we did. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now changed is not defined, so let's define the changed. Let's say changed equal to, we have to first convert that into array, correct? So we'll say data, whatever the data is coming, entries is coming, right? And then we have to filter this in the sense we have to make sure that this is being filtered as key dot includes of the filter. The filter is basically the data, whatever we're getting, correct? So we're getting this. Okay, let's see. Now we got something. Let's sing Spider, Sonic, okay, Tony, T, okay. How about Tony? Okay, Tony, this is good. And Spider, okay, this is good. Okay, so whatever we are getting, we have to do this. let's say if you want to do this in the, anyways, yeah, that's okay. This is the data, whatever we are filtering it. Let's try one thing. Hulk. Okay, cool. Let's actually do the numbers for, oh, the numbers is not coming because we are doing just for the key. Let's say if you also want to do for the value, then I believe value will be coming in. Let's try it. And yes, yeah, I think key is okay. Key is fine. Spread. Okay, in the next video we'll see about the capitals and also the numbers. Okay.